have been working with Park Place for a couple of years, but this is the first time we will be at their luxury showcase. Ruthie's whole mission statement is making comfort food and giving back to the local community. Every month we do a lot of events for nonprofits, feeding people for free and giving money to the different nonprofits that we support. We make our food faster than most trucks. We can whip out a sandwich in 2, 3, 4 minutes. Even with a line of 50 people, usually you won't have to wait more than 5 minutes tops for a sandwich.
My favorite menu item is the El Cubano because there's pulled pork, and that's just like my favorite ever. But our biggest seller is our barbecue brisket sandwich. Barbecue brisket's amazing.
Originally we had the Ruthie's Dozen where we would give to one different nonprofit every month, and now we've kind of expanded that to the Ruthie's Snacks of Kindness where we do all different events every month, and people can donate and give an event to a certain nonprofit if they want to. They can contact us and set that up.
Being able to give back to the community, it's not just selling a sandwich, it's being able to provide opportunities to other people that might not be able to have it before, and it's being a part of something bigger.